How to disable TikTok screen time management. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings and privacy at the bottom. After that, in here, scroll down and click on screen time. After you've clicked on screen time, you will find your daily screen time at the top. Click on daily screen time at the top, which will lead you to this page. Here you will find your screen time option. Simply click on it to turn it off. Make sure the circle is on the left side. And as you can see, you have turned off screen time. This is how to disable TikTok screen time management. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.